Hello, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for coming. I just got cut off. I'm gonna have to figure out why this camera, I don't know why this camera is shutting off after a certain amount of time. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to figure that out. But I had just did the review on the Glitz Glam box, and I was doing showing some of the colors that I got here, and they're really pretty colors. But I wanted to also do the American Influencer box, and I was going to show you what I got from it. And let's see, yeah, I was going to show you I'm not going to do, well, I don't think I should do that. Just a second, let me get this. I just dropped something that I might need. Okay. See, this comes in this beautiful pink glittery box, and it is called the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This one is every other month, so this was the June-July box, and it is I cannot remember actually how much it was. Oh, I think it's like $29. It was fairly reasonable. Last time we got all the hair care was just exceptional. I loved it. And this time we got the Manna Kadar bundle, and this is a lash serum. Look how pretty the packaging is, just so pretty. And I don't have any mascara on because I wanted to show you this. Their mascara, look how pretty. I just love their packaging. And then we got this hydrating face mist. They don't send anything telling prices, do they? I don't see anything. Okay. Look at the pretty packaging. They obviously do really good for their packaging, because everything I'm seeing so far is just beautiful. Firming gloss stain. This is, I haven't looked at much of this because I wanted to show everyone. Look pretty, look how pretty that is. Yes, I'm a sucker for nice packaging presentation. And then we got, this was the box it came in. It is, whoops, this has the little sponge on the bottom. I've never tried those. And then it has this, some kind of powder. Let's see what it is. High perfecting powder. I wish I knew the prices of what this stuff would cost to tell you all. I've really, like I said in the other video, I've really procrastinated today, playing around with my 8-year-old and looking at videos with him, and they don't stay little long, so I try to spend as much time with him as possible. And the other product is, see, their packaging is really pretty, is, what is this called? It's a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, and blush. Here's what that looks like. Let's see here. Here's I cut my finger, so excuse that. I don't know. I've still got swatches on me from my other video. Here's those colors. You can see them. Okay, so we got this, and I will find out the price of this box if anyone's interested and let you know. This is called Uptown. It's got the colors Fame and Chic. 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, and blush. 3-in-1 contour. I didn't see a contour in there. Okay, we got that. Got this, and I was going to cancel this time because I really just got it last time because I really wanted that hair care. It was such a good box, but I'm kind of glad I didn't. This is, you can't beat that for all of these. Oops, I keep dropping stuff, but that was just a packaging. Okay, we got the powder, and we got the lip stain, and we got, this is a lot of products. We got the volumizing mascara, and we got the lash serum, and we got this spray. Let's check this spray out. Oh, it smells nice. Let's see. Yeah, it smells, I can't place it, rosy. It smells like roses maybe. It smells nice, not too strong, but it smells nice. Okay, that, again, that is from this box. And let's try, I'm not going to try the serum. Yeah, I was going to say on cleaning dry lashes. Okay, yeah, it says to allow to dry completely before doing the other, so since I'm doing a video, I will do that later when I'm not fixing to put on mascara. I want to put on this mascara for you and see if this is good mascara. There it is out of the package. Excuse my hands. Like I said, I did the one strip of the nail strip that I got to see. And it's been, I think, 3 days. I put a clear coat over it, really good, and it is stained. It's kind of cute. I just put one on to see if it was going to work, and I wanted to be able to tell y'all how long it stayed on, and it's been 2 or 3 days, I think 3. Okay, this is what that wand looks like. Okay, let's see. I should use that other thing because I'm getting it on my eyes, but I haven't finished my eyeshadow yet. Okay, that's one coat. There, that's one coat. I'll let that dry and wipe it off after they dry. Now it's a pretty good mascara, better than some I've tried. There, that's just 2 coats, but it's pretty good. I like it. And I'm pretty picky about my mascara. I'll have to wipe that off when it dries. Okay, that is the American Influencer box. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And it means the world to me that you're here. Thank you very much. and I will see you next time. Bye bye.